Hello everyone, it's Songling here. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today we are going to make one of the simplest pasta dishes I've ever had, pasta aglio e olio. It needs only 6 ingredients and it's super easy to make. The list of ingredients and amount will be in the description box below, and let's start. I've got 9 cloves of garlic that I'm cutting into slices. If you love garlic, definitely use more. If you don't like garlic, well then use less. No, if you don't like garlic, don't make this. Finely chop a small bunch of Italian parsley and cook your pasta following instructions on the package in a pot of salted water. When it's done, save about a half cup of that pasta water and drain the rest. Get a frying pan and add about half cup of olive oil. Since this is pretty much our sauce, you want to use the best quality olive oil you have on hand. Add the garlic into the oil and let it cook slowly on low heat. Do not use high heat because it'll burn the garlic way before its flavor gets released into our olive oil. When the garlic picks up just a little bit of color and your kitchen is filled with that amazing garlic aroma, throw in a pinch of chili flakes and season with salt and pepper. Add about 1/4 of a cup of that pasta water and give it a quick stir, adding the drained pasta and toss or stir until everything is coated in that sauce. Parsley goes in, continue to toss or stir until everything is well combined, and we are ready to serve. Now the secret to plating pasta beautifully is to give it as much height as you can. Use a carving fork, swirl on some pasta, and carefully slide it onto your plate. Garnish with more parsley and enjoy. This pasta is really quick and easy to make and meal prep friendly. If you are a big fan of garlic and parsley, you definitely need to give this a try. I hope you liked this video. Comment down below if you have any questions. I will get back to you as soon as possible. Subscribe if you haven't. I upload every Monday and Thursday. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!